My name is Anna, and I'm the dessert queen from Sweet Listine's Desserts for All Occasions. I am a retired teacher, a baking consultant, and a proud owner of Sweet Listine's Desserts for All Occasions. The purpose of this video is to help people bake and decorate like a pro. I have completed the master's program at the Wilton School of Confectionate Arts in cake decorating with a specialty in gum paste and fondant. I have taught and trained over 200 students on how to bake like a pro. Many of my students used to bake cakes that were not cooked in the middle, cakes that were sunken in the middle, cakes that stuck to the pan when done, cakes that were running and on and on. I was able to teach all my students to overcome all obstacles and bake like a pro in my 20 plus years of teaching. I have since developed my first online course that takes all the things that I have learned in my 30 years of experience and place all this knowledge in a membership area that you will have 24-hour access to 7 days a week. My course will teach you how to solve critical baking problems and become a hit in the kitchen. I know how it feels to try your best to decorate a special dessert for someone that does not turn out like you want it to. My course is designed to make sure that this never happens to you again. After completing my course, you will be able to bake and decorate for your family and friends that they will remember for a long time. You will learn the proper techniques for using for baking and decorating. I wish I had known these same techniques when I started baking over 30 years ago. My first class will be starting very soon, and for taking action today, you will receive a huge discount. In our very first class, you will learn about icing consistency, proper ways of filling your bag, how to hold your bag, how to decorate, ice, and fill a cake and cupcakes, how to make buttercream flowers and transform an image